Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Right now I'm going to show you how I make Zaatar lion's mane mushroom. Now you can also cook this inside, but I like to cook it with cast iron pan. Right now this is just butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll hear my son in the background and my daughter in the background. They're outside with me. And I put the lion's mane right there and I just circle it around. I don't flip it over till the end. I don't want to destroy the texture of the mushroom. Now I don't like to add a lot of salt, just a little bit. That's it. Not much more than that. Then just move it into the butter, let it cook a little bit more, and a little bit I am going to flip it over. I don't like to add garlic because it takes over the taste. I love the taste of the lion's mane mushroom. It almost tastes like lobster, and if I add garlic, it's just going to overpower it. Baby feet. Now, I wish I could cook these. Then just add a little bit of olive oil. So now it's time to flip it over. Kind of looks like cauliflower a little bit. And of course, just a little bit of zaatar. Happy New Year, happy eating, and happy gardening. Stay healthy, everybody.